keyingisi Amerikaning Florida shtatidan, lekin aslida Falastin va Iordaniyadan bo'lgan Alla Alabani taklif qilamiz. Okay. Oxirdan berasizmi? At the end.
Okay. 8 years of friendship with Donnie taught me 3 things.
Doniyor 8 yildan beri bilamanki 8 yilda men Doniyor haqida 3 ta narsa o'rgandim.
He is determined, he is proud of who he is, and he will make you listen to an Uzbek song longer than a movie.
Doniyordan 3 narsa o'rgandim. Birinchisi, Doniyor juda ham qat'iyatli. Doniyor o'zini kimligidan juda ham g'ururlanib yashaydigan inson. Va ikkinchisi, Doniyor kinodan ham uzun bo'lgan o'zbek qo'shiqlarini oxirigacha eshittiradi.
But that pride and determination is definitely something that we can all learn from as we go through our own lives.
Lekin bu g'urur va bunaqa qat'iyat hammamiz o'rganishimiz kerak bo'lgan narsalar, hammamiz o'zimizning hayotimizda ham yordam beradigan narsalar.
And that's exactly why he's going to be an incredible husband. He doesn't do anything halfway.
Shuning uchungina Doniyor juda ham ajoyib turmush o'rtoq bo'ladi, chunki hech narsani yarim qilmaydi, oxirigacha olib boradi baribir.
Donnie, may your marriage be as sweet as honey and as unshakable as you.
Sana keyingi hayoting xuddi asaldan shirin bo'lsin va o'zingdan qat'iyatli bo'lsin.